Hi TVs, welcome back to my next video. In this video we are going to see about the JavaScript functions. So till now what we have done is we have just reloaded it and then we have got our output at here. We can able to see the output here. So but in this functions what happened is it's quite different. We need to call the function, then only it will execute, otherwise it will not execute as soon as we load the HTML file. So as soon as we load the HTML file, it gets executed. Your values get executed. Now in functions, it will not be like it will not be the thing. Whenever you call the function, then only it will get executed. Those things let me check. Let me tell you and let me discuss how to write these things. So basically, the syntax of function is you need to write function, name of the function. Now I want to do an addition of function. Okay, and parameters you want to pass. I want to pass two parameters to add two numbers, and function, this is your function, and your function I am declaring function with two values. I am passing it out. Okay, I am passing two values and the function will return something. This function will return RET to return something. The something is nothing but a plus b. Okay, it's written and it should be handled whenever the functions return something. I need to have a variable called c where it should store the value, and then I need to print the console.log value of c. So if why I have written these all things, function doesn't execute at the same time. You have written some logic, but unless and until you call that function, it doesn't work. So let me show you the small example. There will not be any error kind of thing because the code doesn't have any error. So it doesn't have any error. But right now I have called here the function, and then I'm printing it out here. So now you got your result as fine. So simple function to add, you can have your subtract, you can have your multiply, anything you can have. The small basic part of your function. By using this function, you can have many functions. You can call many times, and if you are doing the same task many times, same task repeatedly, and you need to write the same code, then what you can able to do is you can write a small function and you can call that function, and you can do that task repeatedly for repeated things. For example, what I'll tell you is, for example, if you are taking some code or a snippet or in APIs, what you will get is you will get a bunch of string. Okay, you will get a bunch of string or objects you will be getting. So in that objects you need to always take the values. So how to take it, and every time taking for different values, then it will become a difficult part for you. If a cricket score match gives you all the match scores of India versus something blah blah blah, you have any versus, and you will be getting all the bunch of courses repeatedly, and you need to do the repeated task for India versus Australia or India versus Sri Lanka, India versus Pakistan. You need to do repeated things. So once you call that India versus Pakistan, you get the values, you call that function, you will get that values. Again for India versus Pakistan, you will be getting still same thing, and from you will extract those values. So for this function will help you to take the values to call that particular function and do the repeated task. So it will be helpful for you. So that's the reason we use the functions regularly, and mostly we use the function. It helps us a lot. If you've seen my PHP videos also, I use the functions to write the code, because these functions will help us to modify code at any point of time. So if you're facing some problem in some function, then you will directly go to that function, you will edit that code, and remaining all things will be fine for you. So basically that's about your function, and if you have any doubts, you can ping me out, you can comment me, and if you like this video, please like it, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it, and please go. Thank you.